New York style chocolate walnut cookies filled with gooey goodness. You can find the recipe for this cookie goodness in the description box below. Let's start by melting the butter and then setting it aside to cool. Break up the chocolate with your hands in pieces so it's easier to chop. This chocolate smells so delicious. Roughly chop the dark chocolate into small bite pieces. Keep on chopping. Grab a medium-sized bowl. Combine cake flour, all-purpose flour, salt, cornstarch, and baking soda. Mix it all up. Once combined, sift all the ingredients and set aside. Discard all the extra bits. Using a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, add light brown sugar and granulated sugar. Whisk at medium speed until combined. Slowly stream in the cooled, unsalted butter. Once that has all combined, slowly add in the eggs, one at a time. Now add the egg yolks, one at a time. When you see a smooth consistency, you can stop the mixer and switch to a paddle attachment. Once you've added the paddle attachment, slowly add the flour mixture. Keep mixing the flour mixture until smooth. Add in the roughly chopped walnuts. Add the delicious chopped chocolate. Mix until just combined. Don't overmix this. Place all that cookie dough goodness into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Cover and refrigerate for at least an hour. Cookie dough has been chilled. We're ready to make delicious cookies. Weigh each cookie dough ball to 6 ounces and place on parchment-lined baking sheet. If you don't have a scale, you can use an ice cream scooper. Once you're done weighing all your cookie dough balls, refrigerate them for another 45 minutes before baking. Place the cookie dough balls on a parchment-lined baking sheet. In the oven they go. Here they are, gooey goodness, yummy. Ouch, still too hot. Guess I have to wait. Finally cooled off. Now I can crack these open and show you the delicious chocolatey goodness. Super gooey goodness right here. I have to try half a cookie, or maybe an entire cookie. It's too delicious. I just have to eat the entire cookie. Yummy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.